Hi and welcome back to another video. Today I'm building my PC and basically just going to show you through the journey of it. So this is the start of my building my setup video. I'm just getting started with getting all of my stuff for my setup and like researching what I need. I think I'm going to build my own PC. I'm really scared. Today is Wednesday, December 9th. It is research day. I'm going to be watching a lot of PC videos and see what things I need to get. Hello everybody, it is December 10th, so it's a day later, but I watched a bunch of YouTube videos and I found a pretty cheap build, I think. I don't know my terms yet. It's like around $500. I reorganized my room today. It looks really nice and I have a really good spot for my setup. The video you just saw was 6 months ago. And now it is April 8th. Okay, 6 months, half a year. Bear with me. Also, I don't know why my camera is flashing, but it is. So I just finished ordering everything for my PC today. I have some things, so I'm just gonna update you on what I have right now. So I'll go get that. So this is my PC case, the MSI MPG 7Z49 gaming edge Wi-Fi. This is my motherboard. My CPU cooler, it's the H100i RGB Platinum SE Corsair cooler, and this is like the first piece I ever picked out for my PC. So when I got it in my hands, it was just like so revealing that I actually knew I was gonna build it. It was like a breath of fresh air. Next is my power supply, and I literally just got this today. Last three things that I actually have in my hands right now at my house. This little thing, this little, what's it called? Thermal paste. This CPU, Intel 10th generation Core i9 unlocked. Admire her. Memory, RAM. What is on the way is my GPU, which should be here in a couple days, and then my operating system should be here by the 13th, which is like 4 days, and then my storage should be here, and then that's it. I just need my GPU, my storage, and my operating system, and then I'm good to go that. And it's April 8th, so I'll go back to you when I have the rest of it. Hi, so it's me. I recorded a video explaining everything that's happened since then, and I remembered that I didn't hook up my microphone, so that's just great. But anyways, I'm just going to tell you what happened. Starting off, my power supply died. So we took it to a computer store and they just fixed it for me, which was amazing. And then it was working good for 3 to 4 days, and then it said critical process error died or whatever. And I didn't fix it till then because I just did not have the mental capacity to do that. Then a couple days, my aunt fixed it, and then it's been working ever good since then, and it is now May 6th. So that's a little update. But now I'm just going to show you like a little setup tour. So setup tour time. These look purple, but they really are pink. Then we got a couch, pink chair, got my PC on the desk, my headphones, my mouse pad, my keyboard, my mic, my ring light that doesn't have the little thing on it, my monitor, which today I'm going to be looking for a second monitor, my webcam, the light behind that. This is my PC thing from the inside. The little box right there used to light up, and these used to light up. These turn on periodically, but this used to light up. It just doesn't work for some reason now, and I think I'm gonna get a new one. This is my webcam camera view. Here's my cat.